In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of Google Keep by scanning and searching through your handwritten notes with ease. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves jotting down notes, knowing how to quickly digitize and search through your handwritten content can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right into the process and simplify your note-taking experience. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Keep. Google Keep is a handy tool developed by Google that allows you to take notes, create lists, and even add photos to your notes, which is perfect for capturing your handwritten records. Signing into your Google account will give you full access to your saved notes. Once you're in Google Keep, locate the note with the handwritten image that you'd like to scan. You might have taken a picture of notes from a meeting or perhaps a brain dump from your last study session. Click on this note to open it. You'll notice a simple interface that allows you to edit or add more to your note. But what we're focusing on today is extracting the text from your handwritten image. Inside the note, look for the three dots, often known as the More options, located in the top right corner of the note. This is your gateway to additional features that Google Keep offers. Click on these three dots to unfold a menu of options that you can apply to your note. From this menu, you'll select the option that says Grab Image Text. This function is a neat feature from Google Keep that uses optical character recognition technology to identify text within images. Once you opt to grab the image text, Google Keep will process the image and pull out any recognizable text, placing it neatly into your note. This allows you to easily read, modify, and search the text content moving forward. It's a remarkably efficient way to transform your handwritten notes into a digital format that's both searchable and editable. With just these simple steps, you're done. Whether you want to quickly locate key points from a lecture or extract vital information from a brainstorming session, this feature can make your workflow much smoother. It's a really intuitive way of combining traditional note-taking methods with digital efficiency. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Make sure your handwritten notes are clear and legible for the best results. Doing so will drastically improve the accuracy of the text that Google Keep extracts from your images. Mastering this feature can truly transform how you manage your notes and keep your ideas organized and easily accessible. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Happy note-taking!